draw 3 big circles, one on top of another. These will be the snowman's body. Then add 2 arms, a carrot nose, and a happy smile. Don't forget his Santa hat and scarf. Now, let's color the snowman light blue. His hat and mittens will be red, and his scarf can be red and white stripes. Color the carrot nose orange and his cheeks pink. Perfect! Our snowman looks warm and cheerful, ready for Christmas. Great job! Little artist who made a jolly snow friend. Let's draw 3 big circles again for the snowman's body. Add stick arms, a carrot nose, and a smiling face. On top of his head, draw a tall black hat with leaves and berries. Now color the snowman light blue. His scarf will be red and white stripes. The hat is black, and the holly leaves are green with red berries. The nose is orange, and the buttons are black. Wonderful! Our snowman looks fancy with his hat and scarf. He's ready for winter fun. Amazing work! Little artist who made another cool snow friend.